So can you get paid just for being you? Can you really get paid just by being a friend? All right. So actually, I guess this is a real thing. I heard about this website a few years ago and I kind of brushed over. I might actually did a video on it, but I seen this actually is getting more and more popular, and people are actually making money just by being a friend to a stranger. All right. So the name of this site is called rentafriend.com. All right. Rentafriend.com. Now this is a website set up for people who actually just want to hang out with somebody for a day or for a couple days, and they're willing to pay for that. Now, initially you might be thinking like, yo, this sounds weird. Like who is that lonely and desperate to need to hire somebody to be a friend for a day? But then once you think about it, especially in this world we live in today where anything's possible, but yeah, I mean, that do kind of make sense. What if you're like an introvert, right? You really don't like people, you don't want to deal with a lot of people, but say you do need someone to go somewhere, but you don't want to be like friends all the time. You just need somebody for this event, right? You just need somebody for this situation. Then it kind of makes sense a little bit, all right? So is it worth it, to be a friend, to offer your services of being a friend? Well, it all depends. On average, they're saying that people who sign up for rentafriend.com as a friend, on average, they start out saying about $10 an hour. That's what, because you set your own prices. But on average, they say most people start out saying, hey, $10 an hour. And then you got some people, I guess they think they just the best friend in the world. They're charging $50 an hour. All right. So just to let you know where your money can be made, just look at $10 an hour up to $50 an hour. Now, if you're a whack ass friend and you're going to be, trash, I wouldn't come in the game like $50 for my service. $50 and I'll be your friend. Right? You probably ain't gonna make that much money, but depending on where you're at, right? And what you're, willing to do and not, keeping it legal, right? That can determine, how much money you make. Because say you live in a big city where Rent a Friend is super popular and you charge $20 an hour and, or $30 an hour and you hang out 6 hours a day with people. I mean, hey, you can have a full-time position. Would I look at it as a full-time opportunity? Hell no. I would look at it as some extra income, because you probably could, depending on where you're at and availability, you probably actually could make some decent part-time income being a friend. Just imagine you meeting somebody and they're like, yo, so what you do? I'm a professional friend. Come again? Yeah. I'm a professional friend. That's what I do. I'm just nice. You know what I'm saying? People just hang with me, right? Hey, anything's possible. All right. So one thing that the rentafriend.com, they really stresses for all the weirdos out there. And I repeat, well, I ain't say it yet, but I'm about to say it. This is not, okay? This is not a dating site. So for all the weirdos out there who are like, I'm striking out on Match.com, no luck on eHarmony, rent a friend, maybe I can get a girl, right? And then maybe, okay, I rent her as a friend, and then maybe we can fall in love, right? I wouldn't do that if I was you. All right? Like, just saying. Like, it's not for, and even if you're being a friend, right? Don't look at it as like, yo, I can earn money, plus I might get me a little girl, you know what I mean? Find me wifey. Nah, just keep it business, right? Because most of the people looking for friends on rentafriend.com, they're most likely just looking to hang out with somebody. They're looking for somebody to go to the movies with for whatever reason, or to go to a work function, to go to an amusement park, to go to some sort of meeting, to whatever. These people aren't looking for dates, because if they were, they most likely probably would be on eHarmony, Match.com, Look at all me knowing that I'm married and I know all the damn dating sites. Shut your mouth. But anyway, most likely, like, you know, they're really there for business. All right. So if you're a professional, you're looking for a side hustle, I would recommend checking out rentafriend.com and, you know, see if it's for you. You know what I mean? That's my take on it. Now, if you want to know what I'm doing to make money online and earn commissions anywhere from $50 up to $300 commissions, you might want to watch this video right here.